Hey there, welcome to another video of GTK Forex Beginner's Guide. This topic is about tax on trading. I get asked this so many times, so I thought why not provide it to you all so you all know what the answer is. If you're trading in the UK, maybe it's Forex, which is or Forex or commodity like gold or crypto. You've made some profits, but now you're wondering, do I need to pay tax? Let's break it down UK style. Is trading taxable in the UK? Yes, trading profits can be taxed, but not always in the same way. In the UK, how your profits are taxed depends on how you trade and what you trade. Spread betting is tax free. This is why many UK traders use spread betting accounts, which are offered by brokers like Vantage. There's no capital gains tax, no income tax, no stamp duty, but it must be with a UK regulated broker or available to the UK residents. Also, this only applies if trading is your side income, not your full-time job. Always do your own research as well. This information which is gathered is by me doing some research and my team looking into a few things, but you can still look and do your own research while you're doing or while you're looking at the tax of the trading side. CFD trading, contracts for difference. Trading via CFDs like MT4, MT5 through Vantage, here's the deal. Profits are subject to capital gains tax, which is CGT. Annual CGT allows £6,000 from 2024 to 2025. Profits above that are taxed at 10% basic rate and 20% higher rate. Are you a full-time trader? If trading is your main income, HMRC might treat it as a business. That means you'll pay income tax, you'll have to register yourself as a self-employed person, you'll also pay national insurance. Tip, if trading is your full-time gig, speak to an accountant ASAP. Do you have report losses? Yes, you should. If you made a loss due to trading CFDs, you can offset it against the future capital gains. So keeping record helps reduce future tax bills. Final tips for UK traders. Trading in the UK gives you some tax benefits, especially if you use spread betting. But once you're consistently profitable, make sure you stay compliant because keeping profits is just as important as keep making them. Keep a trading journal, profits, losses, fees. Use spread betting if you want tax-free trading. Know your annual CGT allowance. Use a tax advisor to go full-time. Always file on time with HMRC. That was all about it, guys. I hope you got some value. If you haven't watched the other videos, I'll highly recommend watching all the other videos to do with Forex GTK guide and educate yourself. I'll see you all in the next video.